the set. What is set? Today our topic is sets, relations and functions. And this is from Brilliant Academy. The contact number 9845555 716 or 9900213083. Here, what is definition of set? A collection of well-defined objects is known as set. Do you want to write the definition, Shabrish?
Yes, sir.
A collection of well-defined objects. A collection of well-defined objects is known as set. Generally, sets are denoted by capital letters. Elements are small letters. Capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sets are denoted by capital letters. So the definition is the collection of well-defined objects is known as set. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got my point? Generally, the elements are denoted by small letters and sets are denoted by capital letters. So even you can take it like this. A, B, C, D. Always sets are denoted by capital letters. The elements in the sets are small letters. So this is the definition of the set. What is null set? What is null set? If a set does not contain any element, if a set does not contain any element, in a set there is no element, that set is called null set. Generally, null set denoted by 5. Null set denoted by 5. Please write up. If a set does not contain any element, if a set does not contain any element, that set is called null set. For example, I am asking, is it null set? Shabrish?
No, sir.
Not a null set. Null set means compulsory empty. Nothing should be there. Is it null set?
No, sir.
Not a null set. Why? Because 5 also a number, 5 also a symbol. So this is also not null set. These are useful for entrance exam. Please write up.
Okay, sir.
Null set. If a set does not contain any element, that set is called null set. Did you copy this?
Yes, sir.
Next. What are the disjoint sets? What are the disjoint sets? Can you tell me? What is the meaning of disjoint sets? For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you have any common elements?
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
No common elements. A intersection B is equal to 5. A intersection B null set, no common elements. Please write the definition. If any two sets does not have any common elements, if otherwise, if there is no common element in the given two sets, if there is no common element in the given two sets, Union of sets. What is the meaning of union? Disjoint means you understood. What is the meaning of union of sets? A is one set and B is another set. A union B. The combination of two sets A and B, the combined elements of the two sets is called union of the sets. A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is called union of sets. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Intersection of sets. What is intersection of sets? A intersection B. What is A intersection B? 4, 5. The set of common elements. In both is called intersection of sets. A intersection B, A union B. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Did you copy this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A minus B. What is A minus B? Difference of the two sets. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is A minus B? What is A minus B means? The elements which should be there in A but not in B. So can you tell me the element which is there in A but not in B? 1 is there in A but not in B. 1.
7 and 8.
2.
2.
The elements which belongs to A but does not belongs to B. That is A minus B.
1 and 2.
That is A minus B. Can you tell me what is B minus A?
6, 7, 8.
Very good. A minus B not equal to B minus A. A minus B not equal to B minus A. Generally, how is A minus B? AB. This is A minus B. The elements which belongs to A but does not belongs to B, that is called A minus B. This is A minus B. Which is B minus A? This is B minus A. Always A minus B not equal to B minus A. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Once you're done, just you tell me.
Sir. Sir, done, sir.
Very good. Subset. What is subset? A equal to 1 to 3. B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, the elements in A also present in B. Do you agree? Every element in A
Yes,
also
sir.
present in B. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then we called it as A subset to B. Subset symbol is like this. A subset to B. Every element in A also present in B. Then we called it as A subset to B. B is superset to A. This symbol is called superset. B is superset to A. Please write down. Subset, superset. Universal set. What is universal set? Universal set generally denoted by mu. Suppose mu is equal to 1 to 10. Then A is equal to, I am writing 1 to 3. B I am writing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C we are writing 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you tell me, is A subset to mu?
Yes, sir.
B subset to mu?
Yes, sir.
C subset to mu? Check this.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Means in solving a problem, all the sets, the given sets are subset to a set. That set is called universal set. Universal set means this is the superset of all the sets. A set is superset of all the sets, then that set is called universal set.
Sir, done, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Enough today.
Okay, sir.
Right now. Bye.
Bye, sir.